Solving problems involving simultaneous equation. So this is our last subtopic for this chapter. For this part, there are steps in order for us to do in order to find the solution. First thing first, understand the problem. So let's understand the problem. This problem says that there is a container in a shape of right prism with a square base, given a diagram right here. The total length of the side is 133 centimeter and length of ED equal to BC equal to 25. This is the information given. So question asks you, can a doodle of volume 600 centimeter cube can be packed into the container? So justify your answer. How are we going to justify? Question asks us, how is this doodle can be packed into this container? If this container, if we calculate the volume, if the volume is greater than this number, then yes, it is can pack. But if the volume of this pack is less than 600, so we can say that this doodle cannot be fit into the container. How come? Volume doodle tu besar, bekas tu kecil, so kita boleh katakan dia tak muat. Itu cara untuk kita justify. So since we understand the problem, next step is planning a strategy. So let's planning a strategy. Just now we plan, if we check the volume of the container is greater than 600, then it can be filled. Before that, from the information given, it says that the total length of the side is 133 and this container of right prism with a square base. Tapak dia sama. So I can say that this length all are equal and this is also equal. So this is an x, we put an unknown of x, so this is also x, so we have 5x. And this length and this length, they should be equal. Let's name the unknown y. So how many y's we have? We have 2y. Also, the information here say that the length of BC and ED, they are equal to 25. So this is also 25. So 25 plus 25 equals to 50, which is equals to 133. The total length of side of the right prism is 133. So simplify the number, we will get 5x plus 2y equal to 83. So this is our first equation. Next, it say that the length given, the information of the length given. Let me say that this one. By using theorem Pythagoras, it says that when x square plus y square, it is equal to 25 square. This could be our second equation. So that's why we get these two equations. So next, implementing strategy means that you define your own strategy either by using substitution or elimination process in order to find the unknown. For this part, take y as the topic, so I'm going to substitute into the equation of 1 in order to find x, given that the value of x is such. And when we substitute x equals to 6 to 7 over by 29 into y equation, the first value is negative value, which we must ignore. Okay, length cannot be in a negative form. Okay, panjang, jarak, berat, tak logik kalau kita ambil nilai yang negatif. And when we substitute another value into y equation, we get 24. So we take the value of y equal to 24 and x equal to 7. So question asks us to justify the answer. We want to check whether the volume of the container is fit or not, okay, for the dodol. So calculating the volume of the container, 1 over 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 24. You should remember the formula about right prism. Okay, cross section multiplied by height. So it is equal to 588. Since 588 is less than 600, we can conclude that it cannot be packed into the container. So this is how we solve a problem. So let's try one problem. This is in Bahasa Melayu, so let's understand the problem. Given that, okay, perimeter is about 280 and the area of the signboard is 0.45 meters square. Look, there are changing unit here, meter, centimeter. Question asks us to find the length and the width, panjang dan lebar. So before that, let's draw the signboard. So let's say this is our signboard. So this is our x and this is our y. So say that this is also x, this is y. So since the perimeter is 280, so x 2x plus 2y, because we have x plus x to x, y plus y to y equals to 280. 2x plus y equal to 280. X plus y equals to 140. Our first equation. And it says that the area is 0.5 meters square. So let's change the unit meter into centimeter square, meaning that the 0.45 multiplied by 100 multiplied by 100. This 100 is for the length and this 100 is for the width. So it is equal to 450. Is it correct, class? Oh, another 0. I'm sorry. So area here is 4500 centimeter square, and we can say that x multiplied by y equals to 4500, and this is our second equation. So from 1, I can take x equal to 140 minus by y. So this is my third equation. And I'm going to substitute the third equation into the second equation. So it becomes 140 minus y multiplied by y equals to 4500. Multiply y inside the bracket. it become 140y minus y square equals to 4500. So into general form, negative y square plus 140y minus 4500 equal to 0. So let's change the sign here. Y square minus 140y plus 4500 equals to 0. Again, you have to use the factorization completing the square order formula in order to solve. By looking at the number 140 and 4500, that number of 45, I know it comes from 9 multiplied by 5 equal to 45, and 9 plus 5 equal to 14. So I'm going to choose factorization for my solution process. So y minus 90, y minus 50 equal to 0. Because 90 multiplied by 50 equals to 4500, negative negative positive. So negative 90 negative 50 is equal to negative 140. So done. Okay, solving the y is equal to 90 or y equals to 50. So when my y equals to 90, my x, so this is my x, equal to 140 minus 90, so it becomes 50. So when my y equals to 50, my x is equal to 140 minus 50, it is equal to 90. So question asks you, okay, find the length and the width. So the solution are, it could be the length equals to 90 or x first. Okay, because say that panjang dulu baru dia nak lebar. So the length is equal to 50 and the width equal to 90. Okay, or the solution could be my length of the signboard is 90 and the width equals to 50. So kita boleh buat gambaran. Mungkin untuk solution yang pertama ni, keadaan dia length dia 50, okay, lebar dia 90. Ataupun gambaran yang kedua, length dia 90, lebar dia 50. So mungkin ada dua keadaan. Okay, satu memanjang tinggi, satu mendata yang panjang. So class, we have another example here. Okay, that is for the next video. I'm going to stop right here.